Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're looking at something that, honestly, fundamentally shifts how growing companies operate. We're talking about Apple Business. Now, if you've ever felt the growing pains of scaling a company, juggling employee hardware, managing a dozen disparate software licenses, and trying to attract new customers all at the exact same time, well, you know it gets incredibly complicated. What we're examining today is Apple Business as the ultimate all-in-one platform. It's designed to act as a true efficiency engine. Literally a single place for managing your internal devices and driving your external growth. Let's get right into it.
So how do you seamlessly manage devices and reach customers in one place? I know, it sounds like two completely different departments, right? Typically, IT handles the devices, marketing handles the customers. But I really want to challenge company leaders listening today to think about the operational friction that comes from treating those as separate silos. Every single time you have to log into a different system, pay a completely different vendor, or try to force two tools to talk to each other that really don't want to, you lose time and you lose money. Apple Business aims to solve this exact problem by consolidating the whole shebang, everything you need to run operations and grow your footprint into one cohesive environment. Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1, Effortless IT and Onboarding.
Getting new employees set up quickly and securely is a major hurdle for scaling. Enter zero-touch deployment. Looking at the definition here, this is an absolute game changer for IT teams. It means onboarding devices and employees seamlessly, completely without manual IT intervention. Just think about the traditional day one experience for a new hire. Someone in IT has to physically open a laptop, install software, configure the email, set up permissions, and then finally hand it over. It's a massive bottleneck. But with zero-touch deployment, the device is already assigned and configured over the air before the employee even opens the box. It completely revolutionizes how you scale your workforce. Here is the literal step-by-step process of how this platform makes device management incredibly simple. Step 1, you choose pre-built blueprints or, even better, create your own custom ones. Step 2, these blueprints allow you to configure the right apps and settings exactly the way you want them. Need to distribute apps in a snap across 10 devices? Or maybe 10,000? Blueprints handle it. And step 3, you get employees up and running instantly. No more spending 3 hours installing software by hand. This structured approach means your IT setup isn't just fast, it's perfectly consistent, every single time. And the absolutely crucial point here is that speed doesn't come at the expense of safety. You get device and account security that keeps up. These built-in security features are active the very second these devices are deployed. You don't have to bolt on some clunky third-party security suite after the fact. Company data is kept safe automatically from day one without any extra effort from your team. Section 2, Scaling Storage and Collaboration. All right, so we've talked about the initial setup, but let's shift focus to daily operations and how this platform helps teams actually get their work done efficiently. We have two essential pillars contrasted here. On one side, professional communication. Apple Business gives you free professional email using your company's custom domain, and it simplifies the setup with a feature called Domain Connect. Literally just one sign-in, and your domain is configured across all devices and the web. Now, on the other side, we have team synchronization. This brings in business calendars to easily schedule meetings and coordinate projects, plus a customizable company directory. These are the tools that keep your projects moving and your people perfectly in sync as your company scales. Of course, all that communication needs to be backed up by accessible files, right? The platform provides automatic backup and sync for your work files with iCloud. This means your team can securely sync and share files no matter where they're working from. Everyone stays on exactly the same page, collaborating effortlessly. That means no more emailing documents named Project Draft version 7 final back and forth. You have complete peace of mind knowing the work is automatically backed up. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that 5 gigabytes number. Every single user gets 5 gigabytes of iCloud storage included right out of the gate. You don't pay extra to get your team started with secure cloud storage. It's built right into the platform. But as businesses grow, data needs grow too. Walking through this clear cost breakdown table, it is remarkably straightforward. For just 99 cents a month per user, you step up to 50 gigabytes. At $2.99 a month, you jump to 200 gigabytes. And for the real power users, 2 terabytes is available for $9.99 a month per user. For decision makers trying to manage budgets, this proves how predictably and affordably you can scale your costs alongside your storage needs. No hidden fees, just sensible, straightforward upgrades. Section 3, Eliminating Technical Roadblocks. Because look, no matter how perfectly you set things up, hardware breaks, technical issues happen. We all know that universal dread of a laptop crashing on a Monday morning. What really matters is your safety net. Every business owner has felt this contrast. On the left, company-wide downtime.
those standard, unmanaged IT problems that bring productivity to a grinding halt. On the right, the solution, AppleCare Plus for Business. This provides expert support and repairs, offering immediate relief with expedited service and repair credits included in every plan. You're actively preventing roadblocks instead of just reacting to them. Let's look at exactly what this expert support covers. It really acts as a direct extension of your IT team. They help troubleshoot everything from a single employee's broken screen issue all the way up to complex company-wide network problems. Plus, you choose coverage strictly per device. This proactive approach to preventing roadblocks is absolutely vital for keeping your operations running smoothly without breaking a sweat. And just like the storage, the pricing is built for pure operational efficiency. You can choose a single device plan for $6.99 a month or a multi-device plan for $13.99 a month. Leaders can tailor this to their exact hardware fleet, ensuring they only pay for the coverage they actually need, without overpaying for unnecessary blanket policies. Section 4. Getting discovered on maps. Now let's energetically pivot from internal IT operations over to external marketing, because Apple Business isn't just about managing what you have inside, it's about actively helping you reach more customers outside. By setting up an Apple Maps business profile, you can claim your location for millions to see. And this brilliantly illustrates how much control you have. You can upload your custom logo, set your up-to-date business hours, and add high-quality images alongside key details. This is exactly how you build serious brand recognition right inside the apps that people use every single day. But it goes way beyond just sticking a pin on a map. You can actually allow customers to book reservations, schedule appointments, and more right from the map using custom actions. The platform also provides insights, giving you incredibly valuable data that helps you understand exactly how people are finding you. These features don't just put you on the map, they actively drive customer conversion and bring people right through your doors. Section 5, Operational Efficiency Realized. Bringing all these pieces together really reveals the core value proposition of our explainer today. We've looked at a lot of features, but the real power is how they interact as a holistic tool for cost management and business growth. This is the complete platform. In one single place, you can manage your employee accounts and directories. You can set up and secure devices automatically with zero-touch deployment and custom blueprints. You can reach out and capture more customers via maps and custom actions, and you get expert technical support instantly with AppleCare Plus. It's literally everything your business needs to run and grow, all unified. Which leaves us with a final thought. Are you ready to stop managing disparate systems and start scaling your business efficiently? Just think about the operational overhead you're currently carrying by piecing together a dozen different solutions for IT, storage, support, and discovery. By bringing it all into one place, you remove the friction, protect your data, and empower your team to do their absolute best work. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and we'll see you next time.